right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. Do first is we're going to prime our eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige and blend it out. Alright, I'm going to take some tape, put them on the corners of my eye. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics palette, and this is the Take Me Back to Brazil. And I'm going to be using like this reddish shade right here. This is for my transition. Alright, now to blend out this red shade, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. And I'm going to be taking this brown right here. And blend out the edges. Alright, so now for my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this dark brown, which is called Mischief, and it is in my QAF ColourPop palette. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my concealer again and carving out my crease. Alright, so for my lid color, I'm going to be using this like shimmery orange color right here. I'm gonna just take my finger. Alright, so now I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's about the storm, so that's why the lighting just, yeah. Alright, now I'm going to be taking this AOA Studio and my LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight. And then I'm going to go down the center of my face with just the Pro Concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my black eyeliner and doing my lower lash line. And then to put some color underneath my eye, I'm going to be taking this brick red shade, which is called Butter Cake, in my ColourPop palette. Alright, so now I'm going to contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. And go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder and Mocha. Now I'm going to be highlighting with this Wet n Wild Proud of My Canopy highlighter. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and this is Club Popper. That is all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.